way to Stansted. Hubby's dropping me off for my week's holiday in Greece, where I'm going to do lots of lovely walking and exploring of archaeological remnants in Kos Town. I'm staying the other end of Kos, which is the quieter end, and looking forward to some lovely walks. When Hubby's dropped me off, he's going to go and have a little 2 or 3 day mini tour of Suffolk, which he's very much looking forward to as well. I'll just put you round to him, he'll tell you more about it.
So I'm off to Mildenhall, the Willows campsite. I stumbled across this one from, I can remember the names, Dave and Helen from Fantastic, and Helen and Martin from Helen and Martin's Treks. So thanks to them, they've been very helpful, telling me what to look out for. And then after that I'm popping across Suffolk to Felixstowe, to Peewit campsite, to do a bit of photography there as well. That's going to be some good seascape with Cobble's Point. So I shall update you as and when I do bits of video.
I've retired, I'm going to go green and west. Okay, east and west there.
You have reached your destination.
Right then, we're here at Willow's campsite in near Mildenhall, and I've seen a few jets go over already. I stopped off at Lakenheath and saw a few of those jets. I think it's the F-35s, is it? Somebody correct me. Yes, I'm here in the motorhome. I've got the obligatory cup of tea. Very nice. And all hooked up to the electric. And yes, I'll give you a quick rundown of the site very shortly. I've taken a couple of 100 photos of different jets going over and whatever. So yeah, I'm a happy man, and I shall speak to you all shortly. Right, there's Bessie, and up above there is where the planes are coming, right over the van. Right, just in the distance, there we go. Swinging around a little bit. Tops of the trees. That's a lovely little stay at Willow's campsite. Probably just hear in the background the jets, gas bottles. That's always handy. It's on my way to the recycling point. Gents' toilets in there. The garden area. Blackbird fluttering away. Ladies' toilets. Showers. And recycling. Like the second one along is just for general rubbish. Get rid of that. Yeah, it's rather a nice sight. Have to get woken up by a couple of jets, but that's what you stay here for, really, is the jets. Going to pick it up, but that's another jet just going, two jets going over actually. No, I don't think my camera's going to pick them up. But, two jets from Lakenheath, three jets from Lakenheath, there's the third one. There it is. Right. There's Bessie with her silver screen on. First time using that last night. very, very effective. Used a sleeping bag instead of a duvet last night. A little bit easier for me on my own. And yeah, very effective. And as I say, up above there, that's where the jets were coming over, just a couple in the night. But yeah, as I say, well worth it. Got to Felixstowe now, bit of landscape and seascape photography, and catch you all on the road later. Might even get the drone up, as they say. Right, catch you all soon.